Welcome to a code report video and a call to action. So as you might be able to tell by the title of this video, there is currently a vote that is happening to choose an official programming language of APL. So for those of you that don't know, APL is a programming language that was created in the 1960s, so over 50 years old at this point. And it has never really had an official programming language logo. So right now we're looking at the APL Wiki page for the APL logo. You can see here in the top right-hand corner, there are a collection of programming language logos that currently exist for languages that many of you will be familiar with. And I guess the only thing that I should say before taking a look at the voting tools is that APL is a language that exists in the array paradigm. It's a very niche language, not a ton of folks know about it, so there are things to know when choosing a logo. In my opinion, the letters APL, it would be helpful if that showed up in the logo. If you see certain matrixy looking like things, that's because matrices are a rank 2 array, and so it makes sense for that to show up in the logo. And so if you want to read a little bit about APL, the language, I will leave links in the description down below. But let's take a look at sort of some of the voting tools to visualize what some of these logos will look like. So the links are all here, 1, 2, and 3, but I'll also link them in the description down below. But if we go to the first one, it shows basically all the logos that we were just looking at in the top right, and we can compare these with the different APL logos. So currently I have the nested bitmaps logo here, but if we choose a different logo from our list of logos that we can vote on, it'll then populate it here. Note that it's not going to put it in the exact position where it would probably show up because it's sort of color coordinated in a rainbow format from purple to blue to green, yellow, orange, red, and then black. And if we look at a couple more, you can see it'll show you what they look like. There are two more ways to sort of compare these. One of them is a fake programming conference website. So you can see here currently we have the cube, and if we switch it to the nested bitmaps, we will see what it looks like. And last but not least, we have a example sort of competitive programming website where usually they just choose a single color. And once again, we have the nested bitmaps. If we change it to circles, you can sort of see what that looks like. So 3 different resources to look at, to play around with. And the final thing that I'm going to show you is basically how to vote. And I'll actually be voting right now. So this is a ranked choice. So basically you can drag and drop your favorite logos, and you can vote for as many that you'd like to. And if you don't like it, then you can remove it. So I will slowly get rid of some of the ones that I'm not a big fan of. No, that's all right. This is what they call the lamp row down style. So these are actually 3 Unicode characters. That one's all right as well. This is my favorite, as you might know if you've seen any of my previous APL videos. Let's get rid of a bunch more. That one's all right. Nope, nope. I don't like that apple as much. And so now, and at any point you can submit your choices. So I'm probably only going to vote on 1, 2, or 3. So this is also known as R2D2. Kind of cute. So between these 5, or should I leave all 5? Maybe I should leave all 5. What's the order that I like these? Actually, nah, I don't really like this one. This one's definitely my favorite. This one doesn't actually say APL, so maybe I'll get rid of it. And this one kind of looks like a spin-off of the D logo. So I will vote, and it should show me. I don't think we can see the results right now, but this is open until February 10th of next month if you're watching this in 2022. Obviously, if you're watching this months in the future, this vote has already happened and a logo has been officially chosen. So if you're interested, links will be down in the description down below to go and vote on what you think is the best logo. Like I said, if you want to do a little bit of research on the language first, links in the description will also be provided. Thanks for watching and have a great day.